Welcome to our English grammar practice for C1 level students. We're thrilled to have you here as part of this learning journey. This practice is designed to complement and enhance your grammar skills at the C1 level. Be sure to stay engaged with the activities as they will greatly contribute to your understanding and mastery of English grammar. Before we begin, I'd like to invite you to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay informed about our upcoming educational content. Are you ready to embark on this learning adventure with us?
Instructions. In the following explanation, we will demonstrate how the formula for the subjunctive mood is structured for application in activities. It is important to learn the formula, pause, and replay the video if necessary.
Subjunctive mood. What is the subjunctive mood? The subjunctive mood is a verbal form used to express wishes, doubts, possibilities, hypotheses, suggestions, and unreal situations. The formula for using the subjunctive mood: subject plus wish plus past simple for all persons. Example: I wish he were here. Subject plus if plus subject plus past simple verb for all persons. Example: if I were you, I would tell her. It is important. It is necessary. It is preferable plus that plus subject plus present simple verb, use of that, if necessary. Example: it's important that he be on time. Examples. Using subjunctive mood to express wishes. Example: I wish you were more considerate. To express suggestions or recommendations. Example: it's crucial that each member contribute their unique skills. To express hypotheses or unreal situations. Example: if I were in your shoes, I would make the same decision. To express commands, requests, or suggestions. Example: it is recommended that you submit your application before the deadline.
Instructions. Observe and listen to the conversation, and detail examples of how the subjunctive mood is applied in our everyday conversations.
Hello. Do you know about the subjunctive mood?
Hello, yes, how can I help you?
How does learning the subjunctive mood benefit me?
Learning the subjunctive mood is useful for expressing wishes, doubts, suggestions, hypothetical situations, and unreal conditions in English.
Okay, and how is the subjunctive mood applied in my conversations?
Easy, ask me a question.
What would you do if you won the lottery tomorrow?
I won the lottery tomorrow, I would travel the world and donate a portion of the money to charitable causes.
I understand. We always apply it when we talk. You just have to identify it.
Remember, you must always consider the formula to construct the subjunctive mood: subject plus verb in its base form, infinitive, plus complement.
Can you give me a correct and an incorrect example?
Correct. She suggests that he study more. Incorrect. She suggests that he studies more.
I understand. I didn't know it was applied this way with the subjunctive mood. Thank you.
Any doubt you have, don't hesitate to let me know. We're here to help you. Bye. I invite you to subscribe and activate the notification bell. Thank you.
Ready. I hope the first activity has been very helpful. Now, I invite you to please subscribe to our channel. Let's move on to the next activity to continue strengthening the language. Let's go.
Instructions. Complete the following sentences with the correct form of the verb in parentheses, using the subjunctive mood. Answers. Complete the following sentences with the correct form of the verb in parentheses, using the subjunctive mood. It is important that each student present their project before Friday. I would prefer that you don't say anything about this to anyone else. It would be better if they came to the meeting early to prepare.
Farewell, and a heartfelt thank you to all the students who have been a part of our grammar classes. We sincerely hope you've enjoyed and benefited greatly from the experience. We kindly invite you once again to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, ensuring you're the first to know when we release new educational English videos. Many thanks.